Stock is just ownership in a company. There are many ways to classify stock. Two major ones are size, called market capitalization, or cap, and company location. Each classification has its own typical level of risk. Large cap stocks include the 500 biggest companies in the U.S. Apple, Walmart, Disney, Ford, McDonald's. Ever heard of the S&P 500 or blue chips? Same thing. Keep in mind, all stock is risky, but these are generally considered the least risky. Mid-cap stocks include roughly the next 400 companies by size, smaller but still fairly well established. They're considered riskier than large cap. Following large cap and mid cap, take the next 2,000 companies and you've got small cap stock. While they have potential for greater growth, they also have the greatest risk. Then there's international stock, ownership in companies located in developed nations outside the U.S., like BMW in Germany and Sony in Japan. They carry about the same level of risk as U.S.-based large cap stocks. The highest level of risk is found with emerging market stock. This is stock in companies located in developing nations like India, Mexico, and Russia. There are two ways to make or lose money in the stock market. You see, when you own a stock, you actually own a piece of a company, and as the value of that company increases, the stock price goes up. But if the value of the company goes down, the stock price goes down too. These fluctuations determine the amount of profit or loss. Another way to make money is when the company shares its yearly profit with you in the form of a dividend. Stock prices can go up or down dramatically for all kinds of reasons. As a result, stocks are the riskiest types of investment in your plan, but over a long time, they can also be the most rewarding.